Investigator is studying the effects of transcranial direct current stimulation on cognitive performance in patients with Alzheimer's. Cohort of 50 patients with mild Alzheimer's disease were randomized 1:1 to either TDCS or sham TDCS over the temporoparietal cortex. Both procedures were conducted so that patients experienced the same sensations while receiving treatment. After 1 week of observation during which no treatment were delivered, the two groups were switched. Neuropsychiatric testing was subsequently conducted to assess differences in recognition memory between the two groups. Which of the following best describes the study design? So first a group is given one thing, the other group is given the other one thing, and then we are changing. That is, control for one is like the experimental. So we are giving this thing that this was a crossover study which we all agreed upon. One was given TDCS, okay, another was given sham TDCS, and then it was repeated, but in the other patients, other groups simultaneously. So the correct answer is, in a crossover study design, every participant receives all the interventions, but all at different times and or in different sequence. In the study described in this vignette, all the participants sequentially receive TDCS and sham TDCS. A washout period between treatment is commonly included in crossover studies to enable any potentially confounding effects of the first treatment to wear off prior to starting the sequential treatment.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.